Hello and welcome all of you. In this video we will see the simplification of this number 2 to the power 22 minus 4. We have to find the value of it. It's a big number to solve, so algebra is going to help us. Let's see its solution. We can write 22 as 11 to the power 2 because after using power of upper rule we can multiply the powers, and 4 is as same as 2 to the power 2. If we see it, this becomes an algebra identity, which is a square minus b square, and that is equal to a plus b times a minus b. We will write this in the form of a plus b times a minus b. Here a is 2 to the power 11 and b is 2. So 2 to the power 11 plus 2 times 2 to the power 11 minus 2. 2 to the power 11 mean multiplying 2 11 times by itself. This will give us 2048 plus 2 times 2 to the power 11 2048 minus 2. After adding these two, this will give us 2050, and this is equal to 2046. This is a big number to multiply without using calculator, so we can write 2050 as 2000 plus 50, and this is equal to 2000 plus 46. Here we will let some values. Suppose t is equal to 2000, and if t is equal to 2000, so this will become t plus 50 times t plus 46. Now let's multiply it. T times t and 50 times t and t times 46 and 50 times 46. So if we multiply, t times t is equal to t square plus 50 times t is 50t plus 46t plus 50 times 46. If we add the like terms, this will be equal to t square plus 50 plus 46. This it's t here. 50 plus 46, 96 t plus 50 times 46. This will give us 2300. Here we are going to put the value of t as we let 2000. So t square mean 2000 square plus 96 times 2000 plus 2300. 2 square is 4, and 3 times 2 is 6. So 60 plus 96 times 2 is 192. 30 plus 2300. Let's add these vertically. So 4 million plus 192,000 and 2300. Let's add these. This is equal to 0, 0, 3, 2 and 2, 4, 9, 1 and 4. This is the final and required value of this expression, 2 to the power 22 minus 4. I hope it is clear. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like the solution. Subscribe this channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.